Good morning, sir. I myself, Yash Kumar, a student of class 10th, section A, roll number 10, is before you to present my English project work on the topic given to me, presentation on life and work of our favorite author or poet. Now I would like to start my slideshow or presentation on the following topic. My favorite poet is Robert Frost. As you can see, I have inserted several pictures of Robert Frost on this slide. Here I have written about the life of Robert Frost. When he was born in the year 1874 on March 26 at San Francisco, California, and died in, at USA January 29, 1963, Boston. He was an American poet who was much admired for his depiction of the rural life of New England. Now, afterwards, in the next slide, I have written about the life of Robert Frost. He studied at the St. Lawrence University. Meanwhile, Robert continued to labor on the poetic career he had begun in a small way during high school. He first achieved professional publication in 1894 when the Independent, a weekly literary journal, printed his poem My Butterfly and Algae. Impatient with her academic routine, Frost left Dartmouth after less than a year. Now, in the next slide, I have mentioned about the works of Robert Frost. The poems in Robert Frost's early books, especially North of Boston, differ radically from late 19th century romantic verse with its ever-beginning view of nature, its didactic emphasis, and its salvage conformity to established verse forms and themes. Lowell called North of Boston a sad book, referring to its portraits or in red, isolated, and psychologically troubled rural New Englanders. These of mainstream portraits signaled Frost's departure from the old tradition and his own fresh interest in delineating New England characters and their formative background, and etc. In this is the slide also containing the works of Robert Frost, and here are some examples of his poetries and works such as A Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Road Not Taken. He was a natural poet who written poetries considering the nature and surroundings around him. His great works of Robert Frost were The Way a Crow Shook Down on Me, The Dust of Snow from a Hemlock Tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I adored. It is a part of his poem Dust of Snow. Now it is his second great work, the poem Fire and Ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to be perished twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Now, after completing my project, I would like to thank you for giving me such a great project. I got to know much about my favorite poet. Thank you, sir, for giving such a great project.